Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a half ball in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make basic shape with a rectangle only. Then we can set the height as we want anyway. Then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make a circle and place on this midpoint, and then we can set the radius as we want. For example, like this, and then we can set the midline from the endpoint to the endpoint right here. Then we can erase the half of a circle on it, and then we can erase it. Okay, and then we can make a circle again through the blue axis, and then we can place on the edge of this half circle in the bottom. Then we can erase the uh, plain object, and then we can just left this outline of the circle. Then we can select this, and we can select follow me and just click it. Okay, and it's done. And then we can erase some unnecessary object. Then we can make group, and we can make another exploration about the half wall, and then we can move and press control and through the blue axis, and then we can right click, flip it along with the blue axis. Then we can bring it down again until like this, and then we can move it to the another position to make the exploration about the half ball in SketchUp. And also we can assign with another material. For example, we can assign with this material, and we can assign with the wood material maybe, and something like this. Okay, thank you. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you for basic of SketchUp tools, and wait for my next video. Thank you.